Hello Croners, and welcome to the Crono Guide, the series where we truly understand how Crono actually works. In this step, we'll explore how to create contacts and companies. You can add new contacts and companies in Crono in 4 different ways. First, you can manually create companies and contacts by clicking this button and entering the information you have about them. Starting with the creation of a company, you need to type in the name. Once you've entered the name, if you click on the magnifying glass, you'll see that you can associate the company name with a LinkedIn company profile. If you prefer to proceed manually, you can insert its LinkedIn URL or company website and also add other details, such as the number of employees, turnover, country, and industry. Once you've finished entering the information, click Add. The company will now appear in your list. Similarly, creating contacts manually works in the same way, but you'll notice that contacts require an associated company as a mandatory field. This is because Crono is account-based, thus each contact must be linked to a company. Once you've entered the information, click Add, and you'll find the contact in your contact list. The second way to insert contacts and companies into Crono is via the Find New page. Insert your search filters according to your ICP, click on Apply Filter, and on the right, you'll see your list of prospects ready to be inserted into Crono. Once you've found who you're looking for, simply select one or more contacts, decide whether you want to immediately enrich their emails or phone numbers, this can be done also later in your list page, and create the single or multiple contacts into Crono, simply by clicking Insert. Therefore, they will appear on your lists page. A small side note regarding the enrichment process. Our enrichment process is based on our waterfall approach, utilizing more than 10 providers in order to find emails and phone numbers. This guarantees that we provide most of the emails we look for, with an accuracy rate that, according to the latest data, stands at around 84%. Moving on to the company's creation via Find New, the same procedure will apply. Staying within our platform, the third way to add contacts and companies is by using the feature that allows you to import CSV files. To do this, simply go to your account settings and then import data. In this section, you can upload your CSV file, and the contacts and companies will be imported and added to your lists page. Once you have uploaded the file, proceed with the mapping. Mapping means associating the fields you have in your CSV file with the fields available in Crono. When importing a list of contacts, we need at least 3 fields from your file: name, surname, which should be in 2 separated columns, and the company name of the prospect. In the next phase, you can ask Crono to enrich this contact's email. Please note that if you want Crono to enrich these contacts' email successfully, you'll also need to provide in the CSV file the prospect's company website or the prospect's LinkedIn URL. To avoid errors during the CSV compilation and ensure it is perfectly readable by Crono, you can download the example files we've made available for your reference. The last way to create contacts and companies is directly on LinkedIn and Sales Navigator, and this works like a regular LinkedIn search. Thanks to our extension, you'll be able to click to add a single contact to Crono if you're viewing someone's profile. Here too, you can immediately enrich the contact's email and phone number before importing it. Creating a company works in the same way. Finally, to bulk import contacts from LinkedIn to Crono, simply perform a search, open the tab on the right side of our extension, select All, and then click on Import. Here again, you can immediately enrich their emails or do so later. Also on LinkedIn, there's an option under Posts of Interest to click on Extract Leads and immediately import all or some of the contacts who interacted with a post. This feature can be incredibly useful for approaching leads who are already potentially interested in a topic relevant to you. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention and keep pushing forward in the sales world.